Okay everybody, this is Graven. I got my Joe Jedi construction kit with color wash all done now. This is actually just a trial run. I'm still working on the full tutorial. So this is just to show you that it's all done, and this is kind of how it will work when it's, it'll look exactly like this when it's done, and work just like this when it's done, the full tutorial. So here it is. Right now I just have it on Sith and red. And you can see it came on, looks red. I actually, while I'm taking this apart to show you the switches and everything, I actually broke the pin off of the number 4 terminal, so the resisted went right on the number 1, and I'm using a resisted red now for everything. So I'm only using actually 3 parts of the switch. So here's the normal RBG. I got it in the R. I also got my other switch in the left side, which is for the Sith side power up. Right now I got it in the red. Here is the extra hole, and when I turn on the lights later on, I'll show you this. But right now I'm going to turn it into green. And actually what I can do is just power this up and just leave it on and change the colors. So there's green. I'm going to turn green off. Turn on blue. There's blue. There's green and blue together. There's red and green together. And there's red and blue together, and then there's all 3 of them on. You don't really see much of a difference with all 3 of them on. So that's the colors for the Sith. So I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to switch to the B position, switch my other position over to the right position. I'm going to turn it back out again. Everything's off. I'm going to go through. Here's red. Here's green. There's blue, and we'll leave blue on. We'll do blue and green. Now I'll turn the blue off. There's the yellow. I'll turn the green off, and there's the purple, and then I'll turn that on, and it has a little bit of a tint to it, but it's more of a white. It's white with a pinkish hue, and that's all 3 switches on. So I'll go back to red for just the Jedi, and that's it. Now I'm going to turn on the light so you guys can see what I did. And I'm going to turn this off real quick. There you go. Now what I have here is, there's the RBG right there. And then right in here, it's really hard to see, is the other position that I have. That if it's in the B position over here, this switch 2 position has to be all the way over to the right. If it's in the red, then it has to be to the left. And basically what that's doing is taking power from either the blue or the red coming off of the soundboard and feeding that to the LED. Well, it's actually feeding it through my dip switch here, and what I did was I just drilled a hole. I mounted that into the plastic insert inside the cylinder here, and there's my 3 switches. And I just switched it to one or the other, and that's what gives me the colors. So that's it. That's it for now, and when I'm all done with the tutorial, I'll post the multiple pages for that. Thanks for looking.